Today I will like to speak about some key concepts that we have in TresureBoat. It is not everything implemented today. Most of them are already working in the Vodka frameworks, and this will move down to TresureBoat very soon. Because I think in the next video I will speak about navigation, and for this purpose also there are some words will coming up, keywords will coming up that we have, and that's why I would like to speak at first about that. So an application here on the right side can have different phases. A phase is the phase of the application to the outside world. So that means switching the phase on the same application could make different navigation bar, different icons, images, and for example different localization. So if you have a different user, you have to deploy this application. So with changing a phase you can change a lot of the feature set. About how to do that we will speak in a special phase video, but for now that you know what is phase, and you will hear it the first time in the navigation bar video. Then the idea is also to have a person. A person is the user that is logging into the system. This person is connected to a domain and connected to a role. That means a person can have multiple domains and multiple roles. What is a role? A role is a decision what a person can do or not can do. If a person can see this data or can see this navigation bar, can edit some data, everything is here in the role system. We have a very low level role system in the TresureBoat that is already mostly implemented. More is coming, and there will be a video about role and login and that very soon. But so you understand, we have here role, the person, and the person is connected to the domain. A domain can be a switch where like for example a company. It could be it could be an organization, and then one person can connect it to, let's say, 2 different organizations, and then can switch between the organization. And with this switch also the data set can be improved, and it will with some qualifiers it will show only the data set for this organization. And of course the domain is also connected with roles. That means if the person is connected to this domain, to this organization, it can have special roles for this. For example, the person is a worker and maybe an accountant, but for both companies, for example, for both organizations, but for maybe this organization, he also has the role to change the CMS content or some stuff of that. So whatever it is, we will speak more about that really later after we come to this topic, because there is some model that we need that will come very soon to TresureBoat, but only to get the idea about the low level stuff. Also, let me open this image. If you create a new application, here, because we spoke about the faces, if you create a new application from the template, it will ask you here about the face ID. And here the current is default, so that means it would be a default face, only that you know what this and this are connected. So that's it for the keywords, and I will prepare the navigation bar for you. See you later.